string out of your mouth. Get that string out of your mouth, dude. Dude, it's not healthy. Get it out. Why is it always those things that are... Oh, no, don't. Oh, come on, give me that string. McCoy, the string's not for you. Oh. Don't eat on. No way. Get it out of your mouth, little monstrous, adorable. You're so cute that you're It's monstrous how adorable you are. Monstrous how adorable. Ow. No. One sec, guys. Returning back. I hope you didn't eat any string. Not good for him. Oh my gosh, my little puppy dad. If you were able to have that, do a jump. Come on. You're a super puppy. Here we go. You're adorable, but don't eat the furniture or tags. Okay, we want to keep you healthy. Oh boy. One of those pillows moves. Once, and if it was under there, that'd be that. Get that down. Okay, you can have that one in a moment. Go get it. Still very tiny, but you've grown. Grown plenty. To you, it must have been years. To me, it's only been weeks. 3 weeks from yesterday, from the day before yesterday, because we got you on a Wednesday. 3 weeks. 3 weeks in 3 days. Actually, 3 days. Because it's Sunday. You're adorable, okay, dude? Whoa! Bon up your energy for today.